What does he look like? Or how does he look like? Which one is correct? To find it out, you need to watch this course video. Hi, I am Aditya, your fun learning coach who's going to take you on a journey to become a confident communicator. So let's start our journey. In this course video, we are going to see the common mistake which most of the people make between what and how. It's correct to use the question word what with the preposition like, but it's incorrect to use the question word how with the preposition like. So if we are using the question word how, then we do not need to put the preposition like. So if the same sentence we have to say using how, then it would be how does he look? We will not use the preposition like. Let's check out some more examples. How does eggplant taste? And if I need to use what, then I will use it with the preposition like. And it will be what does eggplant taste like? Now you try and tell which one is correct. How does lavender smell like? Or what does lavender smell like? And the correct one is, what does lavender smell like? How does the new office look like? Or how does the new office look? And the correct one is, how does the new office look? Did you know the longest word in English language holds 45 letters in it? Well, what is the word then? So the word is Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Isn't it amazing? Well, what does it mean then? Well, it refers to a disease which is caused by inhalation of fine silica dust particles. Time to practice what we have learned today. Choose the correct option in the given sentences. You can pause the screen and answer it. These are the correct answers on your screen. You can check your answers. So this was the difference between what and how. But is that the only common mistake which we make? If that's not the only mistake, then what are the other mistakes? Well, for that, you need to watch my next course video. Keep learning and keep shining.